How to adjust the temperature in the manual mode. So this is a manual mode. We have that small hand over there. So in the manual mode, if you want to change the temperature, you just use the up and down key. And the temperature at the moment displayed is the room temperature. If you press the up-down button, see, this is a set temperature. You can change the set temperature by using this up-down. You can change set temperature. So you can see set temperature. If set temperature is lower than the house temperature, the thermostat will not connect. Will not connect means there's no heat icon over there. But if you changed your set temperature to be higher than your room temperature, you can see there's a click and there's the icon over there saying the heating is on above the chimney. The heating is on when it's above the room temperature. So that's set temperature 18.5. 18.5 is the set temperature, and the room temperature is 18. So that heat is on. So in the manual mode, it is I think it's very easy. You can just use it as the normal thermostat. You can just adjust the set temperature anytime here. Of course, the programmer will control when it's on, when it's off. But here, you can just use it as a normal thermostat to change the set temperature here. The room temperature is 18 degrees now. And the set temperature is, if you press this once, you can see the set temperature is 18.5. So it's going to stop central heating very soon. So it is now reached 18.5 room temperature, the same as the set temperature. So the central heating stopped. You see the flame over the chimney disappeared. Also you can see here the boiler stopped burning.